Having trouble getting a CAPTCHA to work in Google Chrome? Here are a few quick fixes you can try. First, open Google Chrome. Once open, click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Once in the Settings, go to Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. Then, click Delete Browsing Data. On it, make sure to check only these two options: cookies and other site data, cached images and files. Also, don't forget to set the time range to all time. Once it's all set, click Clear Data. This removes all the corrupted data that can sometimes stop CAPTCHA from loading or verifying correctly. Once that's done, close Chrome completely and open it again. Next, try turning off your extension. Click the three-dot menu again, go to Extension, then select Manage Extensions. Turn off your extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPN extensions, since some of them can interfere with CAPTCHA scripts. Finally, make sure JavaScript is enabled. In the Chrome address bar, type this URL and press Enter. Make sure sites can use JavaScript is selected because most CAPTCHA systems need JavaScript to work properly. Then reload the CAPTCHA and try again. And that's it. This step should fix most CAPTCHA errors in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.